Hello and welcome back, guys, to Tech Journal 24. Today we are back with one more interesting product. Let's begin with the Wise audio speaker that begins all of it back in 2014. Yes, I'm talking about Amazon Echo. Amazon released the Mirror. Ever since then, been second generation version, standing 148 high as well as seeming rather decent for its rate, with Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi connection sustained. It's an impressive little bit of kit. So today we will review Amazon Echo and the features of it, whether we should take it or not. So let's start. Alright, Amazon Echo. It also features the signature blue ring around the leading information, informing you when it's silenced to the Alexa wake word. However, that's now been upgraded once more to give us the Amazon.com Echo in 2019, which is modulated on the existing Echo and also its regard to the kind as well as features, making the Mirror Plus rather outdated. With beefed up nose at the price of standard Mirror version, it's well worth taking a look at the third generation Mirror if you are considering buying a new Wise audio speaker. Maybe one of the most romantic mirror of all. However, as well as among our favorite smart house device dot is the Echo Dot. That's likely because it's the most affordable of the whole lot as well as has to do with very same dimensions of a hockey puck, making it piece of cake for those that wanted to try clever house tech for the first time. Now, in its third generation, the Echo Dot doesn't have the best audio, high quality in the array. So, its finest match to space where the song playback won't be the primary feature. That said, you can pair it with a Bluetooth speaker to the additional audio gadget in your house because you're having a jack connection with it. So, economically upgrade you can make its aging stereo system. There is now a new version of this compact audio speaker on the scene, the Amazon Echo Dot, which clock takes initial and well included and lead timepiece. For an extra $10, you have an additional capability of an alarm or timer along with all appealing original Echo Dot. The other clever audio dot in the Amazon Echo line to find with a screen is the Echo Spot, which you can consider as an updated mirror dot. This mirror is ideal for the night table with the capacity to make video play calls through its round screen. It's likewise worth mentioning an upcoming new addition to the Amazon.com mirror variety. Its very first mobile mirror audio speaker, the mirror input portable smart audio speaker version. The Google Home Max, on the other hand, looks a lot more like a conventional loudspeaker, as also it's the biggest of the lot. It doesn't really have a comparable Amazon Echo gadget either. It's boxy in design, closer visual to the Google Residence Mini, and also can stand in either the portrait or landscape position to match the area you have got. While the vanilla Google Residence is an acquired preference to the regarding to style, both the Mini and Max are discreetly attractive and should suit any surrounding without much concern. Keep in mind that with both Alexa as well as Google Assist, third-party speaker supplier are needed to incorporate the voice helper into their very own product. Amazon.com Echo and Google Resident Speaker do take somewhat various method to the method their capability are accessed. Alexa, on the other hand, depends on the stam of skills. Specific apps like sets relative voice regulation, focusing on certain subjects or capacity, managed and also turned on via the Alexa apps or smartphone. This can vary from getting details on regional transportation times or to activating voice control gaming. Now for the matter of fact, you can contrast the most up-to-date price in between the error below. Follow the below link to go ahead to order it and get the most benefit of the discount. One more thing for you guys is, anyone who is watching the video till now, we will be adding you in the bonus offers coming to the next video. So keep on watching this video, keep on watching all the videos that we give it to you, and subscribe to the channel to be the first one to get the offer from Tech Journal 24. If you have any questions, if you have any issues related to this product, go down below and comment so that we can answer you, and like this video so that it can reach more people like you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.